Alright, Kima, one of my least favorite machines in the casino, but you like it. I wish there was a little bit more sparkling going on up there. Zhao Firecracker Express. Okay, calm down. Alright, we got the thumbnail. Pennies is $1, and that's all we can afford right now. Pow. Let's prove that these firecrackers lit up don't mean anything. That they can happen right now. It won't take money. That machine won't take the... No, the one over there with the... Look at that. Oh. So I pressed the button to get help over there because that one, all the firecrackers were lit up. But Kima's in a hurry and she might get this one. You never know. I don't know though. It's not looking very good. It's eating that 100 and the firecrackers aren't moving much. We start with 100? What did we start with? 70. Okay. Well, I feel better now. Yes. Come on, bonus. We want the double up and the ultra. But we'll take anything. Got 5 envelopes. Try $2. 2 cents. Come on, Kima. We need this to happen. All right. Yeah, we got the twin win. All right, if only we could get a good bonus now. I like the double screen better, but yes, pop one of these. Oh, I thought you got that double. Double screen would be great. But we'll take extra. Ooh, come on, baby. There's not much money there. Oh, no. Come on. No. Shoot. You need more money. There it is. That's the one I wanted. Double. Nobody likes the zone boost. I kind of do. Please. Oh no, you gotta get it this time. Come on. No. Well, a little bit of money. Got your, you started with 70, so you got our money back plus a little bit. She's not even slowing down. All right, that's good. Keep going and win big. finger clickers. We're gonna have to stop for a minute so I can go sign up for bingo, okay?
Yeah.
I don't know. Something to do that you're not losing money at. All right, we're back. I'm all signed up for the bingo game. You ready, Kima? Try to get us a big bonus. Yes. But he did it. Well, all right. Double pop. Twin again and extra. I don't know why I hate this machine. I'm doing pretty good on it today so far. Got a zone boost. Well, all right. Can we get all of them? 5 of them?
Zone active.
Slow down, baby. All right, you ready now? Get another one. Yes, get them all. Ooh. Come on. Come on, zone boost. Keep on zoning. Zone boost is tough on this machine especially. Miner. $40 miner. I wish the miner split into 2. Come on. Oh no, no dead spins. Oh, Kima. All right. And you got a 3 times on that, so 12 times 3. That's good. 36 bucks in the green boxes. I wish you could get it in the purple box. Like that. Oh. All right. One more purple one. One more blue one. It'll double the miner if you get 2 times?
Yes.
Well, then we need that corner one. That purple one. You got 4 more spins. Come on, baby. Pow. No.
Come on, please. 7.
I'm going to try a spin.
Try.
Because sometimes my luck's different. Pow.
7.
And it was. And we got we filled the zone. All right. 2 times. I want that purple one so we can double up the miner. Oh, no. Yes.
Come on. You do it. Do it.
All right. Hamana, hamana, hamana. Here we go. Pow.
7, please.
Nope. All right. You got to get this one. You have to. Get the purple one.
7, please.
It's over. But it looks pretty good.
3 times.
3 times. All right.
Minor jackpot.
Like the minor jackpot, that saved the whole bonus. Not bad.
How?
That wasn't a very good pow. Maybe you'll try better next time. All right.
Should I do this?
What do you want to do? Can we go back to pennies? $2 bet? And see if we can get something filled up a little? That's how I think. I'm probably wrong, but it's been giving us bonuses, so it might be a hot machine. Every once in a while, I just like to do like a $3 bet to see what happens. And nothing happened. All right. Okay, pow.
Now.
Pop, 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 pop. No. Oh. Look at all those firecrackers. like it when you don't get any. Get that miner.
Miner mean.
It's only a $40 miner, but come on, honey. We're really just killing time so we can play that dumb bingo game, but we had a lot of fun last time. Get them. Quadruple pop. Quintuple pop. Again. Wow, a whole lot of rockets and no popping. What do you think? Should we get out of here? We won some money. You started with 70 and you have 180 now. You want to go? All right, if you like Kima's videos.
Please like subscribe.
All right,
Thanks
let's
for
see
riding.
when we find
Firecracker
another
Express.
machine. All right, Kima, we walked around the corner. We found another one that's really kind of full. Hopefully, you can pop this. She wants to do nickels this time. It's a $2.50 bet.
You ready?
I'm
Let's
ready.
Go. Pop, pop, pop.
I like it when you get it on the first spin. $50 miner. Calling table game players. That is not us.
Come on.
Come on, baby. Get with it. We got the twin. All right, a nickel bet. Maybe it'll pay. Any
Pop
luck at
another
all?
one, please. Luck. Pop, pop, pop. Another one. Third.
Slow and easy. We're not in a race. Well, Kima's always in a race, but
See what? Please.
are
See
you
what?
kidding me? Come on, you gotta pop another one.
See what? Luck. Pop, pop, pop.
Hamana.
See what?
I'm trying. Oh no, Kima, you gotta do this. If that's the end,
Come on,
it's
see
terrible.
what? See what? How? See what?
Terrible. Worst bonus ever. But there's always the next one. That was the twin. You did it. Kima's method works. It really does work more than it doesn't. $2 bet at 2 cents. Come on, pictures. You never get those pictures anymore. Extra spins.
Come on, big one.
Well, the $6, that's 12. Come on, honey.
See what?
Extra spins is my least favorite, but you can get a big one to
Come on,
drop.
right now, Major.
Uh-oh.
Come on, see what? See what?
You might get your $20 back the way it's going. Come on, save it, honey.
See what?
All right. Oh, I see words. Get them words to stop. Nope. All right. Come on, how about a major today? We didn't get a major yet today.
Come on, please. See what?
Oh, minor went by. It's over. That's not a lot of money. But you got your 20 bucks back, plus a little. Plus a lot. You got 30 bucks, and you have 6 in the machine. It's up to you. You think you can pop more? She says do it. It's her favorite game. Nobody knows what'll happen. I'm just here for the videos. Is this really your favorite game, you think?
Yes.
If you could only have one, this would be it? I'm not sure what mine is. I kind of hate them all equally.
You just select a new game.
Yeah, I like games we win on. And we've won on them all, but we lose on them all too. Come on, baby, you're back to your 20 bucks.
Please.
Probably should have changed cards, but it's too late. You're driving. $1? You don't have any money. Boy, I wish that popped.
Yes.
Oh, good number. Nope. It's a terrible button. Oh. Unbelievable. You got a double pop. I was just going to go to $2, but oh well. Get some more features. All you need is the green one. Stop, you got it. All right. This is a triple pop at $1 bet. I'm not expecting much money though, but I hope so. Yep, you need the words. Mini's a 10, mine is a 20, Asia's 680. You lost 120 in this machine. 116. So whatever we can get back is a good thing.
No vacation, come back.
Now don't shut off one screen like you usually do, Bird. This is a triple pop. You need it to act like one. You gotta get some on the top though, okay? Put all your energy and concentration on the top right now. Pow! Yes, you did it. That voodoo works. All right, 4 and 4 again. And now the bird's getting wild. Oh, come on, words. Come on, anything. How again? Nope. 50 cents. 50 cents. Come on, Bird. All right, $1.50. That helped. Come on, baby. What's with the 50 cents? I know, we're only betting $1.
No, Bird.
The bird went on vacation again. Holiday. Starting the 4th of July weekend a little early, that bird. All right. Back to 4 and 4. Come on, save it and save it. Yes. Kima, get them all. 2 grand.
Yes.
If you fill them both, you can get a double grand. That would be something. the top and save the bottom. There's a miner right above that 4. I believe. Yep. Come on, miner. $20 miner, but hey, $5. All right, the bird's getting bigger poops now. Yes. The numbers are getting a little better now too. Well, we're not going to get 120 back, but we're doing all right for a $1 bet. Save it. All right, you got to save the bottom this time. All your voodoo on the bottom. Oh, $7.50. That's a beautiful bird. Come on, miner. Oh, it was right there. 3 more spins, though. All you got to do is fill those other 2. Oh, the bird's getting really unconstipated. He's really going today. Yeah, here we go. Come on, do it. Save it. Oh. All right, big poops. All right, $5. $1. That's it. Come on. You can do it. Unbelievable. I think you're going to get the grand today. We want to hold the big check.
Come on, please.
No grand there.
See one, please.
No. You got 2 more chances. Do I have to push it? I'll do 1.
You want me?
All right. Here's mine. Hamana. Nope, there's nothing there. I'm hoping you can find it. It's actually a pretty good $1 bonus. Come on, big one, bird. 20, 50, something big. Nope. But all right, it's going to be okay. We got some of our money back. She's already jumping over 2 machines. Because somebody just left one filled up. And this is great. We were down 120 and we're getting 90 back? 86. All right, well that's not too bad.